Hi friends, welcome to Yaraguti Brothers. We will discuss in previous class. We will discuss about classification 1 number analogy. Today we will discuss about letter analogy, letter classification, friends. And exercise. You not join in studies and group, please join. I will give link below description. Exercise 2 and exercise. We will do exercise 5. Okay. We will go to the topic. First question: AA, BD, CJ, DP. In this, we want to write first numbers, friends. I will tell one alphabetic number with easy codes. Alphabetic numbers with easy codes. Next step. AA. First, we want to write numbers A 1 1, 2 4. 3 10, 4 16. Here we will see this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 4 square. Here only 3 square is 9, but they have 10. Means the answer is CJ. This will process n square. And next question, second question. JK, PQ, GQ, DE. We will write numbers 10, 11, 16, 17, 7, 17, 4, 5. We will see here. We will see in here. Second is not ready. Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. This one only plus 10. Means here all following plus 1. This one only following plus 10. The answer is GQ. Next, exercise 2, first question. The exercise 2 have numbers, number plus letters. Number plus letters. Means in middle, in corner or anytime. See, J 30 T, U 43 V, 3 4 7. This also some formulas I have in friends. What is that? What is that? Means N here number here means this sides 2 letters we will add, means any number or 2 or 3 we will add n plus n equal to number or n into n number, n divided by n number, n minus n number. This formula we will want to, friends. This question, J means 10, T means 20. Here see, this 2 add means we will come 30. Next 21, 22. This 2 we will add, we will come 43. Here 16, see, 3, 4. We will add, we will come 7. 16 and 2. We will add, here was coming 18, but they have 19. Here all, this 2, when we add 10 plus 20, 21, 3 plus 4, 16 plus 2 equal to 18, but here have the 19 means the answer is D. Next question was, here corner the number was given DC 12, A B 3, 3 5 15. 9 to 18. Here see we will this was 4 3 on that number 1 2 1 2. Here 3 5 9 2. Here see here 1 and 2 you see 1 plus 2 equal to 3. But here 4 plus 3 not equal to 12 means we will do multiplication. 4 into 3 12 equal 1 into 2 3 into 5 15 9 into 2 18. But here only 1 into 2 equal to 2. But here I have 3. This was not equal. It was not equal. Means the answer is B. A, B, 3 is the answer. We will note next exercise 3 and 4. Okay friends, this is exercise 3, 4 and 5. We will do this fifth question. C2x, A3n, I4r, F5u. This here heading was opposite pairs. This was addition, multiplication, and this is division. And here we will 3 24 1 14 9 18 6 21. Here we will see. Here there was no difference. Means opposite pairs. Opposite pairs means I will tell in another alphabetic order, easy way, and plus or minus opposite pairs. Here see here plus 1. Sorry friends, this was not analogy. This is OP means opposite pairs. A and see IR opposite pairs. FU opposite pair. This is not A opposite pair is Z. I will tell in. Now I tell in. Last I tell the opposite pair. Here 1. Here this one also opposite pair. Opposite pair. Opposite pair. Opposite pair. This is not the opposite pair. Okay? And addition, multiplication. 1, 3, 5. And here 19, 21, 23, 13. See 1, 3, 5. Sorry friends, this is B. Sorry. Three, 5, 7. And 4, 5, and 19. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 19, 21, 23, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Here we will see surface here A only. We will do plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Here plus 1 and plus 14. That is the answer. DCS was the answer. Next one. CDL, DBH, CBF, KBU. 3, 4, 9. 4, 3, 4, 8. So friends, here L means 12 and here 3, 2, 6, 11, 2, 21. Okay, we will multiply these digits. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, but 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22 means V, but here I have the U means the answer is D, KBU. Next exercise 5, this is addition and multiplication, this is division. Means here division what means? 2 4. 2 divided by 4 equal to 2. 4 12. 2 divided by means 3. 5 20. 2 divided by means 4. 4 means 3. 3 R means 18. 2 divided by 6 want to come from 6 want to count, but there came 4 means the answer is D. Next this was 2 4 divided by means answer 2. 4 12 divided by means coming 3, and here 5 20 divided by means coming 4, but here 3 18 4 we will divide, here coming want to come 6, but here came the 4 means the answer is D. Now we will discuss about shortcuts and opposite pairs only now. OP, opposite pairs. We will write this. This like A, B, C, D, this like M, and here to M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See friends, here this question example CX. Here CX was opposite pairs. CX is the opposite pairs, and IR is the opposite pairs. FU is the opposite pair, but AZ means opposite pair, but here I have N was coming in MN, this AZ correct. IR and BC means this is BC, not here coming BC. CX okay, but because they have BC, this is the opposite pairs. Plus or minus 13 is nothing but here to start it friends. M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. M Z L Y K Y J W I V H U. This like this is this plus or minus 13 symbol was this friends. Plus minus 13 this one, and opposite pairs nothing but here to N, that like to here Z. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. You like and share and comment. Please subscribe our channel.